we guide you through how to verify your PayPal account. So the first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account, go to Settings, open Account Information where you'll see your email and phone number. Make sure both are confirmed because this is required for verification. Next, link a bank account or debit or credit card by selecting Wallet, tapping Link a bank or card, entering your details correctly. PayPal may send a small test deposits or charge, so check your bank or card activity and confirm the exact amount inside PayPal to complete the process. After that, upload any requested identity information such as full name, address, and a valid government ID to fully verify your account. Once everything is confirmed, you'll see your PayPal status updated, meaning your account is verified and ready to use with higher limits and fewer restrictions, allowing you to make secure payments, receive funds, and withdraw money smoothly without issues.